How to fix Valorant error code VAN 9003. So first what you want to do is just simply locate your Valorant folder on your files. So mine is located right here on my D drive, but most of the time you'll kind of locate it on your C drive, then program files, then go to Riot Client or Riot Games rather, and you'll see the Valorant folder right there. But for me, I have mine on my D drive, so Riot Games, Valorant, go to Live, and find the Valorant exe right here. Right click on it, click on properties, go to compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, click on apply, click on OK, then go to shooter game right here, then go to binaries 164, then find the Valorant 164 shipping.exe, right click on it also, go to properties, compatibility, then click on checkbox right here, click on apply, click on OK. And once it's done, open up Valorant and check if it works, and if it doesn't, what you want to do now is to enable your secure boot on your BIOS, and that should basically do the trick.